Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the simplest yet most powerful things you can do to boost your health: walking. Yes, you heard that right, walking. It's one of the most overlooked activities that's incredibly beneficial for your body and mind. In a world where cars, buses, and trains have taken over, we're walking less and less each day. But what if I told you that taking just a few extra steps could transform your health? Stick around, because in this video, we're going to explore exactly what happens to your body when you walk for 5, 30, and 60 minutes. Ready? Let's get started. All right, let's start with the first few minutes. The moment you step out of the door and take those initial steps, something incredible happens inside your body. Your muscles start to warm up, and your body begins to release energy-producing chemicals. These chemicals are like tiny sparks that fire you up, preparing you for the walk ahead. Within the first minute, your heart rate begins to climb, going from a resting rate of about 70 beats per minute to around 100 beats per minute. This increase in heart rate is essential because it boosts blood flow throughout your body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. You'll also notice that any stiffness you might have been feeling starts to ease up. That's because your joints begin producing lubricating fluid, which helps you move more freely and comfortably. And here's a fun fact: even at this early stage, your body is already burning calories. You'll start to burn up to 5 calories per minute, using a mix of fats and carbohydrates as fuel. So even if you're just taking a quick walk to the mailbox, your body is already working hard to keep you energized and on the move. Now let's push a little further. After about 6 to 10 minutes of walking, your body really starts to kick things into high gear. Your heart rate increases even more, now reaching between 100 and 140 beats per minute. This elevated heart rate means you're burning more calories, up to 6 per minute. At this point, your blood pressure might spike a little, but don't worry. Your body is smart. It releases chemicals that expand your blood vessels, allowing more blood and oxygen to flow to your working muscles. This is great news for your cardiovascular system because, over time, regular walking helps maintain your heart's resiliency and lowers your blood pressure in the long run. And here's the best part: the more you walk, the more your body adapts. Your heart, muscles, and lungs become more efficient, making it easier for you to walk longer distances without getting tired. So if you've ever felt winded during a walk, just know that your body is adapting and getting stronger with every step. All right, now let's talk about that sweet spot: 11 to 20 minutes. By this time, your body temperature increases and you might notice yourself starting to sweat. Don't worry, that's a good thing. Sweating is your body's way of cooling down, and it helps release heat as your blood vessels near the skin expand. As your walk becomes more intense, you'll start burning up to 7 calories per minute. Your breathing will deepen, bringing more oxygen into your lungs and pumping it through your bloodstream. This increased oxygen supply helps fuel your muscles, giving them the energy they need to keep going. Around this time, 2 important hormones start to rise: epinephrine and glucagon. Epinephrine, also known as adrenaline, is a hormone that not only gives you a burst of energy, but also provides relief from asthma attacks and allergic reactions. And guess what? You don't have to buy it from a drugstore. Your body produces it naturally when you walk. Glucagon, on the other hand, helps regulate your blood sugar levels, ensuring that your muscles have the fuel they need to keep moving. So, after just 20 minutes of walking, your body is already benefiting in ways you might not have expected. You're burning more calories, improving your cardiovascular health, and boosting your energy levels, and you're not even halfway through your walk yet. Now, let's keep going. If you've made it to the 21-minute mark, you're really starting to get into the groove. This is where the magic happens. As you continue walking, your body begins to release more tension, and you'll start to feel more relaxed. This is all thanks to endorphins, those feel-good chemicals in your brain that act as natural painkillers and mood boosters. These endorphins help to reduce stress, anxiety, and even symptoms of depression, leaving you with a sense of well-being that can last long after your walk is over. But that's not all. Around this time, your body really starts to tap into its fat stores for energy. You'll begin to burn more fat, and as a result, your insulin levels drop significantly. This is great news if you're trying to shed a few extra pounds, because lower insulin levels help reduce fat storage and make it easier for your body to use fat as fuel. So if you're looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight, this is the point where your walk becomes especially beneficial. And let's not forget about your cardiovascular health. Walking for this amount of time strengthens your heart, making it more efficient at pumping blood throughout your body. This not only reduces your risk of heart disease, but also improves your overall endurance, so you can stay active and healthy for years to come. All right, you've made it this far. Now let's talk about what happens when you push through to 45 minutes and beyond. By this point, you're exceeding all the benefits you've gained so far, and the rewards keep stacking up. Your body is now operating at peak efficiency. You're burning even more calories, up to 8 or 9 per minute, and your blood flow is maximized, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every part of your body. This not only helps to keep your muscles and organs functioning optimally, but also supports your immune system, making you more resistant to illness. Speaking of the immune system, walking outdoors for an extended period also increases your exposure to sunlight, which boosts your body's production of vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for bone health, immune function, and even mood regulation. So by walking for 60 minutes, especially during the daytime, you're giving your body a healthy dose of this vital nutrient. But there's more. Extended walking sessions have been shown to be just as effective as antidepressants in some cases. Walking reduces stress and anxiety, helps you clear your mind, and leaves you with a feeling of accomplishment and positivity. It's a natural way to boost your mental health, and the best part is, there are no side effects, just a happier, healthier you. And let's not forget about the long-term benefits. Regular, prolonged walking strengthens your heart, lowers your risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease, helps maintain a healthy weight, and even improves your cognitive function. Studies have shown that people who walk regularly have better memory and mental clarity as they age. So what's the takeaway here? It's simple: try to walk more often. Whether it's a quick 5-minute stroll or a full 60-minute power walk, every step you take brings you closer to better health. Walking is one of the easiest, most accessible forms of exercise, and it comes with a host of benefits that can transform your body and mind. You don't need to spend hours in the gym or follow a complicated fitness routine. Just put on your shoes, step out the door, and start walking. You can make it a daily habit, whether it's during your lunch break, after dinner, or as part of your morning routine. Your body will thank you, and you'll feel better with every step you take. So why not start today? Find a reason to walk, whether it's to the grocery store, around the block, or in your favorite park. The more you walk, the better you'll feel, and the healthier you'll become. Happy walking?
Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on staying healthy and active, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep moving, stay healthy, and take care.